Hello friends, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video, we'll make a basic tutorial by using the SolidWorks tool. So this is a drawing of that basic model. So let's open a part first. Here I'll be choosing the unit millimeter gram second. Now here I will select the right plane and take a sketch. Here I will dot two circles. Give the dimension for both the circle. This is 28 and this is 18. Now I'll exit from the sketcher and I'll extrude it, and I'll be choosing here mid plane, and here I will extrude it, and the extrude height is 35. Just go with this. OK. Now I will choose here front plane. In the front plane I will select on the click on the sketch. Just make it normal to the plane, and I'll be drawing here two more circles having the diameter. One is 9, other one is 15. So click on the dimension and give the dimension 9 and 15 respectively. Now give a distance from this center to this. Height is 26. Now give the relation from this center with this center and this origin. Give the relation here vertical. Now go with this. OK. Now you can see here sketch is getting fully defined. Exit sketch and extrude it. The extrude value is 19 here, so I'll be giving here 19, and I need to choose here mid planes and go with this. OK. I'll be choosing here this right plane and click on the sketch. Make it normal to this. Here I will do one thing. I will click on this sketch and do one convert entities, and I'll just change the graphic here. I'll make it like this, and here I will do one thing. I'll do one convert entities. Click on this and click on the convert entities. Here I will choose the line. I'll start it from here and click on this and give the relation tangent. In the same way you can draw once again, or else you can go for the mirror. So here I'll be doing the mirror. Now first let me make it fully defined. You can see this is not getting fully defined. So what I need to do, I need to select here and this line, give the relation tangent. Just go with this. OK. And I'll just connect this line from here to here. Now click on the mirror tool. Select this two lines, this line and this line. Click on the mirror. Click on this and select mirror about and just go with this. OK. And trim the top portion. Click on this trim. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. Now exit from the sketcher. Click on the extrude and extrude it 5 mm and choose here mid plane. Just go with this. OK. Right now you can change the view mode here. Now you can see your model is like this. Next what I will be doing, now I'll change the orientation. Here you can see I'll select this right plane and click on the sketch. In the same way I will do here. I'll change the view mode once again. So I'll keep this hidden line. Now I will use this hidden line here also once again. So I'll just do convert entities, this and this. Click on the convert entities. Right now you have to take a line. So I will take a line from here to this. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. I need to do one more thing. I'll just extend it from here to this. Just extend this. Take one more center line for doing the mirror. Now click on the mirror tool, select this line and click on the mirror about. We need to do the mirror about this. Just go with this OK. Select this line and this, convert it into tangent. Just go with this OK. And I'll just do one thing. You can see here this line is moving, so here I need to do one thing. We need to click on this corner point and select this line, give the relation coincident. Now you don't move here and there. Now you can trim it. Click on this trim and click on this trim, this corner. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. I'll trim this portions. You can see here the sketch is open only, so what we can do, we can extend this here itself. Click on this and click on this. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as close profile. You can exit from the sketcher and you can go for this feature. Click on the extrude, and same way you can go for extrude with the 5 mm and choose your mid plane. Go with this OK. Right now I will just change the view mode. Now you can see, if you want you can change the appearance also. Here you have the options. I'll be choosing here the color is quite like this. Just go with this OK. And if you want you can change the background also. Here you have the option, you can keep it in isometric mode. So guys, this you can see here your model is getting completed. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.